Right, come out again on a nice blustery day. I've measured the wind and it's varying about, it's all over the place. 1 minute it's blowing 3 miles an hour, next minute it's blowing 6, next minute it's blowing 12 to 15. So what I'm doing, I've got my 38 grain prohunter slugs from Prohunter Swaging. I put a gong out at 100 yards, and what I intend to do is just see what it's grouping like at that range. I have been out in conditions like this before, but I was kind of after as much tight groups as possible, and you know, I was pulling my hair out thinking, why ain't it grouping, why ain't this? But you know, you're not going to get the nice tight groups that you see on Matt Dubber's YouTube channel. This is my channel, and we're about wind and the type, you know, so we just want to see what it's going to be doing in the real world, and I want to see what the wind's going to be blowing the slugs like at that range. So I'm going to fire maybe a 5-round group, maybe a sighter to start with, just to see where it's going to be, and go from there and see what it groups like. Right. Something happened there. Back on there. Okay. Right, well, you're looking at less than half a mil dot in wind. It's such a blustery day, and again, I'm so well impressed with what these slugs have been doing. You know, I mean, it's just ridiculous. I said in my previous video that, you know, I wouldn't come out here in this weather with pellets and that, but with this, it's a different story. They got that one there that's high, but that could be something to do with my barrel. It could be anything. I'm blaming the wind, blaming this, but it's me, you know. But it's always user error. I mean, these slugs, they're just bang on. I mean, I'll take that group any day. So I'm gonna measure my groups and put that on the video and see what it was. But it's just great. I just gives you real confidence in your hunting and everything. So brilliant. Well done, Graham and Yvonne from Prohunter Swaging. Well done.